everybody. I am back. There were some questions about when I was going to be posting again, and I'm so sorry it's taken so long to come back and hang with you all here. Truth be told, I started work last year on a new record of original songs, and it turns out to be a very time-consuming project. But I'm excited to be back here with you all, and I will be posting again. Just wanted to take a moment here to update you on kind of what's going on and why I've been so absent. So the big project has been this record of all new original songs. It's called The One Who Remembers. I'm currently in the process of crowdfunding for it, so it's all done. All the recording pieces of it are done. I'm just getting ready for its release coming up later this year. So if you want to learn more about it, maybe pre-order your copy or make a donation, you can do that at my website, averyhill.studio. I've also been for the month posting to different platforms to kind of educate folks a little bit, pull the curtain back, see what it's like to be an artist here in this capitalist economy, and just what the project is about too, which is not about being an artist in a capitalist economy. It's about something totally different. I've been posting to Facebook, to Instagram, to my blog on my website, and also to a separate YouTube channel that I have focused on songwriting. And so you're welcome to follow me on any of those platforms too for some more information about the album and about crowdfunding. So that's been a big project, as you might imagine. But now that I am back, I'm looking forward to bringing back the ukulele here with you all and making some music. I'll bring back Teaching Tuesdays. I have some classes coming up. I'll post about those separately, but again, you can always learn more about those at my website as well, averyhill.studio. Those are coming up both online and in person here in Portland. If you'd like to join me, would love to see you there. Also wanted to thank members for hanging in there with me. There are 3 membership levels that I'm still a little bit on a trial basis to kind of see how it works for this channel. The first level is pretty basic. I think it's $2.99 a month. And it's just a chance to put a little tip in the coffee cup, if you will, just to say thanks for being here and to help this channel keep going. The second tier is $9.99 a month. And I had been doing some live member Q&As. That format wasn't really working, so I'm going to kind of switch that up to doing a monthly video that's just for members to go a little bit more in-depth into a topic that comes up in one of the other videos that I post. So if you are a member at that level or you want to be a member of that level, sign up. You can email me through my website, averyhill.studio/contact, and let me know, hey, I'm a member and I'd love to hear more of your thoughts about this type of playing, or I'd love to see some more examples of this kind of technique, right? So anything to help you with your practice and your study of the songs that I've posted up here, happy to do that for those second tier members. And then at the very top, I think it's $29.99 a month. You get a personal one-on-one lesson with me each month, just to help you keep tabs on your own goals for your playing. Happy to give you some concrete exercises, some materials to work on, just to help you achieve your playing goals. So, not required. Every subscriber to this channel gets access to that Google Drive folder of song charts, which I am painstakingly going through to make sure everything's organized where it needs to be. But those membership options, they're just ways to say thank you for offering your funds, offering a little bit of support to help keep this channel going. Remember that whole part about being an artist in a capitalist economy. It's just really, really helpful, whatever you can give. Of course, you're all welcome, no matter what. I am looking forward to posting something again soon, coming up this week, next week, as I said, about the classes and some more tutorials and play-along videos for you very soon. Thanks again for hanging in there with me. Welcome back. Yeah, look forward to making music with you soon here.